Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover the products and pricing inside the Go High level. Why do we need these things? Is that we have to create whenever we have to create, an e-commerce store. Either the product is the physical or it is sold as a software. So we have both options, and we will deal with these type of product. So we have opened the GHL and we are inside the payments tab. And the first thing that we need to do is actually create a product and set their pricing. But the prerequisite for this, creating products and all this stuff is that we have to connect the integrated, the payment methods. You can connect your PayPal or Stripe, but that one we would not discuss in this video. So that was just for the prerequisite stuff. First we have to move inside the products tab, then I will show you the settings, how we can create the different products and how we can set their pricings. So first we have I will just click the create product button. Then I can select any title. I may select the lemon as a title for my product, then add my own some description. Okay, so right now we are seeing a checkbox called enable product label. What is it? It's actually, when we see products online, you can see multiple different various labels on that product. For example, if something is on sale, you can see there is sale, 10%, 50% label on that. And some if something is new in the market, you will see a new arrival label on that. So if I check this checkbox, and this is the content that we need to show on that label. I can use sale, new arrivals, or hot. You know, then we can also adjust its visibility. If the date is expired, the label is removed automatically. Then we can see here is a product collection. It is for our own easiness. If something is related to a service, or something is related to a product or a payment, different type of collections. It is something like category of a product, you can say. So that is, and this is what it is. Then we can you can see the product text code. If I click on that, you will see a pop-up. It is actually when the client buys some product, he has to pay a certain amount of tax. So if we select the option for the product right here, so it helps in calculating the tax automatically when uh, the customer buys that product. So if we can select anything related to which is suitable for our product, like jackets, athletic shoes, everything has different text code. The next thing is the include text in prices. What is it? You can select it as as per global settings, but we won't be doing that. Basically, we select these inside the global settings, inside the text settings. But if we select the yes button, I will give you example. For example, a product is worth $100. Its price is $100, and there is a tax of $15. If I select this yes option, the final product would be 115 without showing customer any type of taxes. So the taxes are inclusive of the product price. The second is the no option. What it does is that it shows the tax to the customer properly. So it is much more transparent method. Then we can attach the tax rates. Also, here you can see the product media. You can upload the media for that. Then we can have different types of pricing. One, we have the one time, and one, the second is the recurring. One time is basically a simple product which is sold one time and it is my own for the rest of my life. The second is the recurring. It is usually used with the SaaS, software as a service. So that's the recurring fees you have to pay. The consumer has to pay the customer, or the consumer has to pay the price in monthly or whatever we select billing period. Here you can add the fees in that. Then if our product is something like a t-shirt, shoe, or any fashion item or whatever it is, we can also add its sizes and colors here. The last thing is the search engine listings. This is actually the related to SEO of that product. So we can add some descriptions, titles, and any tags and all that stuff. So this is a brief overview and a simple and a go starting procedure for creating a product. So let's move towards the next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.